Hey guys, welcome back to McArthur Industries Group here. So we're down here in Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. Just a different thing today where we've had Bentley Brisbane come towards us, ask us if there's an opportunity to fit a dual battery system to a Bentley Bentayga. So I've had one of our technicians, young Andrew DeWard. He's skimped out on doing the video today. He's standing behind the screen there, but we just want to run you through the different things we can do down here and situations that you can do on cars if needed. So we're going to get you to come around here for me if you want, Andrew, and run through exactly what you've done in the back of this vehicle and show them through things. So guys, if you've got this sort of work, there's no sort of idea that you're going to think that we can't do something. We will make something happen. And as you can see in the back of this vehicle here, we've changed it over. We've gone through with this system here, worked with one of our local suppliers, and we've got ourselves a 220 amp hour lithium battery setup. It's got a 40 amp DC to DC charger internally. And it also has got Bluetooth compatibility for battery management system. So option is client on his phone, gets on his smartphone, finds out exactly where the battery's at, 40 amp DC to DC charger. So whilst you're driving, getting a fantastic charge back into those 220 amp hour lithium. So also giving him the opportunity to run a fridge for quite some time in a vehicle like this. This gentleman does a lot of Ks, so he wants to have that opportunity. So if it is sitting for 2 days, it's having great power, not to worry about having his battery go flat or his fridge go in there. So guys, reach out to us. Andrew, absolute great. We've had to make all different brackets, change things completely in this. We're a metal fab shop, and Andrew's done a brilliant job in this, so I've got to thank him very much. I'm just the man in front of the camera. And guys, please, if anything you could think about that you want any of these sort of systems fitted to, come see the team down at Sandgate Auto Electrics and Automotive. We'll be happy to help you out. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Bye.